Stefano Picciocchi. I'm the chef, the owner of Picciocchi's Pasta. I'm Italian. I'm just moved here 2 years ago. I'm from Genoa. Genoa is really north-west of Italy. It's literally like 2 hours from Milan. But I grew up in the kitchen, so this is I call my bunker, so this is my equipment. Here we have we call scombinata. It's literally 3 different type of machine. There's a mixer, there's a ravioli machine, tortellini machine, and this is the machine when you make pasta, long pasta like tagliarini, pappardelle, fettuccine, linguine, bavette. And then we have a gnocchi machine. This is a new machine. This is make gnocchi. This is make short pasta like rigatoni, like fusilli, like cavatappi, cresti di gallo. This is another ravioli machine. This is bigger, really bigger. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6 different types of shape of ravioli. And this is the mixer, really big. I can make, well, I know in kilograms, it's like 100 kilograms at a time, more or less. It would be like 200 pounds. For me, I would like to explain you that first of all, pasta is really healthy, really healthy. I mean, good and fresh pasta. Of course, if you buy pasta from the grocery store, I don't know, but I'm for sure in my product, especially my product, is really fresh. So it's really healthy, and a lot of my customers that they try my pasta, everybody said, wow, I don't feel heavy. We don't have anything, so easy, which means better.
What is it you love about making pasta?
Why?
Yeah, well, I mean, what do you love about making pasta?
Well, pasta, I know that in America it's more important pizza, but in Italy it's more important pasta.
Okay.
Everybody loves pasta. Everybody eat pasta every single day, and I eat pasta every single day. Okay, this is the tagliarini.
Let me see that one more. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
And now we start to make some linguine.
What is your favorite pasta? What do you love the best?
It's a good question. I don't know. I love pasta in general. So
yeah, and just about any variety, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at it, beautiful. Yeah.
Did you learn?
Oh yeah, I can make all with my hands, of course.
Of course, you probably learned, right, to do it that way.
Yeah, but in 2021, if you have this machine,
you can make a lot more, right?
I think you can make more.
Yeah.
More. So we literally like 10 minutes we made the dough and we made the pasta. So
right.
So
and it makes it so perfect. It's just like absolutely perfect the way.
Actually, yes, but you have to know the recipe. That's
right.
important.
Right. Yep.
I can make the fettuccine by my hands.
Right.
I told you it's.
Yeah.
It's more easier with the machine.
Now, After you make the pasta, after you've already made it, what do you do next with it? What comes after this? Do you have to dry it, or do you
No,
nothing?
absolutely
Right?
not.
Okay.
This pasta, the amazing part, when you cook the pasta, 2-3 minutes will be done. It's
Right.
really good.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Now I would like to show you another type of long pasta. We start to make bavette.
Baguette?
Bavette.
Bavette. Okay. Which,
I know in America it's not really famous, but in Italy bavette.
and what is it that makes it famous in Italy? Like, what is a bavette?
It's another type of. It's different. I will show you. This
Okay,
one.
sure.
Okay, now we start to make a bavette.
All right.
Okay, this is bavette.
Oh,
And you can make with bavette. In Genoa it's really famous. Bavette with pesto.
oh,
And if you ask me what is your favorite sauce,
right.
my answer would be always pesto.
Is it?
Yes, because pesto in Genoa, especially for me, which means a lot, everything. And we call pesto in Genoa the green gold.
Gold. G-O-L-D, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Now, what do you recommend for an aglio olio? Aglio olio?
Yeah, we can have aglio olio, everything.
I like angel. I like angel here with it. No one
Well,
else in my family likes it.
I have to tell you a secret. In Italy, we don't have angels.
Uh-huh.
We have all spaghetti
Right?
or taglierini.
All right, you have to say that again because I didn't.
Yes, taglierini. We don't have angel. Angels is
That's American, more American?
More American.
Okay.
It depends. A lot of my customers right now, they ask me, Stefano, do you prefer with this pasta or with this pasta? And also, I will always give my suggestion. Because sometimes they pick a wrong combination and I try to teach my customers. And right now, they are really, really, really happy.
How many different pasta sauces do you offer at your
How many
restaurant?
sauce?
Yeah.
We made pesto sauce, tomato sauce, meat sauce, walnut sauce, portofino. We made porcini. I have porcini mushroom from Italy, really big.
Oh, I love them. I love them. You're making me so hungry right now.
We made a lot of things, but
Yeah.
yes. For cheese sauce, this is really popular. Well, yeah, we use 4 or 5 different type of cheese that we call for cheese sauce.